Hello, my fellow oddities. Welcome to another episode. Today is part 7 of our Sedona Keyhole. If this is your first time, please hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and go ahead and share it. While you're at it, please take a visit to my website. I've got all sorts of stuff on there available to help support me, including prints, t-shirts, and other things like that. And with that out of the way, let's just get right into today's video. So, continuing on down with our Sedona mountain, we are just going to continue using our same colors that we've been using this entire time, only this time I decided to mix a little bit more red into it. If you look on the reference image, there's a little bit more red in some of these areas, just like little patches. I don't know if it was in the shadows or if it was just the rocks. I'm pretty sure it was probably the layers of rocks. So I really wanted to kind of accent that a little bit and bring out some more of those reds. And just like always, I do a lot of back and forth between my lighter and darker tones just to play around with the textures and the feel of it until I got a pretty good accurate representation of what I felt looked good. I got a lot of it done, but there's still a little bit more left, so we will have one more episode after this. right, that's gonna do it for this episode. If you've been following along, then you should have something relatively close to this. All right, this thing is just coming out fantastic. One more episode and we're going to finish this bad boy up. Please remember, if it's your first time, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and go ahead and share. And make sure you come back for the next episode, and I'll see you then.